There's no point in even making an intro. I'm really tired, everyone. Hi. Hello, everyone. Welcome to yet another live stream. And I am MAKiT. And tired, too. Also that thing. So, I'll let everyone join in. Oh, that's my breakfast. Oh, yeah, I haven't finished it, I just remembered. Hi, the Boomy, hi, the Darkness Pro, hi, the Happy. I'm sorry, I'm finishing up my breakfast, actually. 20 hours after I woke up. So, just finished the addition to quantum physics video. Amazing video, thank you. I really hope you'll enjoy the rest. Recently, if you're interested in physics, recently I made a video about elementary particles, which I think is the best video I've ever made. But that's just my humble opinion. Hi there, everyone. Oh yeah, we don't need these taskbars no more, because we finished the video, yet another one. And yeah, weekly uploads, hooray! Can you remove the bar below? It's ugly. Already did. Love the most recent video, it was so digestible and easy to understand, you were so entertaining, thank you! I know, I am amazing. It was fun. I really am looking forward to making another organic chemistry video in 2 weeks. Or 3, I guess. Hi there, Spyro, welcome! Oh, we will have to find a good... You know what? I am tired, so this is perfect, actually. That's the problem. Usually... usually I don't make live streams in which I just, like, plan videos, because that isn't much work. Planning videos isn't really much work, but considering how tired I am right now, I feel like I won't be really productive in any other way. So we're gonna do it the only way I can, which is library text, chemistry of course, and then bookshelves. At this rate, you're gonna run video topics. Oh, there is still plenty. I haven't touched inorganic chemistry at all, for example. Well, I guess I touched theoretical, which is kind of inorganic, but brainstorming stream. I mean, I just want to... Oh, OpenStack is great. OpenStack is amazing. I just want to find something to make the video on. I don't want to make a video about stereochemistry because it sucks. It's so boring. It's so unbelievably boring. Chemical reactions, maybe? That's something, I suppose. We've already kind of covered these. Kind of. Well, we kind of covered these. Two in the theoretical chemistry. We've kind of covered these two now. Theoretical stereochemistry we're skipping over because it sucks. And then overview of organic reactions and alkane structure and reactivity. So reactions. That's tempting. Not the elementary particles video also released a day before my birthday. Well, happy birthday! I'm sorry I'm late, but happy birthday still. Make a video on meth, by that I mean 10 hours single carbon atom. I mean, that is where meth gets in the, that wasn't a bit. That really is it. You can see that if I look up amphetamine, right? Meth is the same thing. Then this is amphetamine, and then methylphenidate. That's not quite what I'm looking for. Hold on, my brain is just running a bit slowly. Methamphetamine, right here. You can see that these two are exactly the same, except this one has like an additional methane. Hence why this is amphetamine. This is methamphetamine. At least I'm pretty certain. Methyl, and what's the alternative name? Methyl and methamphetamine. Oh, it's this alpha methylphen. Oh, never mind. The name is absolutely different. Okay. Hi there, Shad. Welcome. MAKiT, did you hear the Indian English guy is not the youngest person to become world chess champion? He's just 18. The previous record holder was 22. Match was less than 12 hours ago. Wow. History is being made today, isn't it? Make a video on math. Oh, I already read that. I'm sorry, my brain is really running slowly right now. What are chemical reactions all about? Do a video on waves, so I'm less cognizant. I promised a video on waves a year ago, and I intend on fulfilling that promise sometime in the future. Give me a couple of years. That's why I don't like all these reactions. There's a lot of them. Are you gonna cover chirality? No, because chirality is boring. I don't get people who are fascinated with chirality. I don't get it. I don't understand. It's awful. It's so boring. Which subject are you most interested in? I don't have a subject I'm most interested in. However, I do have a subject I'm the best at, and that's physics. I am the best at physics simply because for some reason I just keep going in. It was like the first one I actually went into. That's probably why. But I am also trying with chemistry. I'm getting better and better. Oh, this video will be phenomenal with flame. We could make the next video could be just about reactions. That's something. You hate all subjects equally. Exactly. Make it a scientist now. Lost the mad part. No, my madness. My defining feature. That'd be a neat topic. Yeah, I mean, it is the next step, I suppose. Also, it's nice to have a textbook behind me instead of IUPAC. IUPAC was awful. All the different chains in IUPAC weren't chains, they were loop-de-loops. It sucked. Oh, today I've also scripted a fair bit of the math video for next week and physics video for in 2 weeks. So it's good to know I'm already a bit ahead, which is nice. My first school had such a bad teacher, it soured the subject for me a little. Actually happens a lot, I get it. What was the physics video about? Quantum mechanics! Revisited, or actually visited properly, I would rather say. So it's going to be a quantum mechanics video, a video in which I explain quantum mechanics swiftly. Basically, I really often refer to different things, like wave functions, for example, or wave-particle duality, stuff like these. I really often refer to them in videos, but I don't really have a single video which actually explains all of them properly. So yeah, I need that. Computer science / programming. I feel like I could pull it off. I could try. I would just need to pick a solid topic. Also, the basics I covered too much already. I suppose that's fair. But I mean, I could do some things that aren't. So, for example, comparing different languages. That's not something that's done all that often. Usually, people pick their preferred language and just stick with it. So, different levels of abstraction, how they differ, that could be something. What's your favorite number of carbon atoms in a molecule? Hex 6. That's the one. First of all, benzene is great. I just gotta say it. Benzene is my favorite organic molecule. Second of all, the fact that you can just like keep modifying it and they just kept coming up with different names because it was so weird. It's hilarious. Third of all, hexane just looks really nice. Hexane, for some reason, is very pleasant to look at. Or cyclohexane, rather. You can talk about, well, some of the insane stuff Nilred does, walks and wide walks. The problem is that Nile-Red already explains it pretty well. That I feel like that would be kind of content stealing on my part if I just make a video about Nile-Red. Have you ever considered doing a video about relativity? Yes, I have. I would love to. But that requires a lot of work. It is still under maybe. I will make one, actually. It's just I need some time. Actually, maybe in a month, maybe 2 months, we'll make a video about relativity. I suppose that's realistic. Or relativistic. I'm hilarious. You have to excuse me. I am really, really tired. Really, really, really tired. Also, the video isn't performing all that well, actually. Out of the last 10, it's 7th. It's doing worse than the making animations using math, which, well, whoops. Insomnia to be bitch. Oh no, it's not insomnia. I would love to go to sleep right now. I am tired at this point, to the point where I could go to sleep, but I have a stream to stream. It's a daily child checkup. I have to. It's a rule. I can't break the rules on day 677. That would be ridiculous. Have you considered doing a video like making sulfuric acid? That would be tempting. Is relativity connected to string theory? Kind of. Well, I mean, yes. The thing is, right now we have 3 different things we want to connect in physics. That is quantum mechanics, so things that are quantum, relativity, and gravity. So 3 key concepts in physics that I want to explain is, first of all, why quantum world is quantized. So for example, photoelectric effect. Photons exist, they are quanta of light, and photoelectric effect tells us that they are in fact quanta. That's the first one. Then the second one is relativity, which basically means if you have a cube and another cube is moving towards it, like this, then this should be equivalent to the left cube moving towards the right cube. Like, there is no objective frame of reference, and thus these two should be equivalent. That's the second thing. And the third one is just gravity. If you have a small ball that is orbiting a large ball, that's gravity flipping around. And the point is that right here we have these 3 things that are really difficult to match, and this is basically a quantum field theory. This is, I think, general relativity. This is the graviton, but we don't have anything actually joining all of them together. So right here we have this, this, and we have this is the quantum field theory. I think this is general relativity, although I could be wrong on this, and then this is stuff like graviton. And what we want is we want orange right here. However, the only problem, there is no overlap. That would be the theory of everything, actually explaining all of physics. And string theory is a candidate. It's the best one. Van me force the gravity, so soon not mentally deranged as us. This is what Venn diagrams are used for. This is not a Venn diagram, actually, because there's no overlap. I think, or maybe I'm wrong. I could be. Doesn't matter. The point is, we have these relativity, quantum mechanics, and just astro. I don't think gravity has one. Has a field just dedicated to itself, and then we try to combine all of them at the same time. Why was I? Oh yeah, the relativity connected to string theory. So yes, relativity is connected to string theory in the sense that it's a key element of actual string theory. It's what you need. The biggest pickle, funny enough, is gravity. That's because, well, relativity explains gravity in an extremely elegant way. However, it's not really quantized. And that's why we already know how to combine a fundamental interaction with relativity. We've done it. Light is the best example. And we just can't extend it to gravity because it's a bit too annoying. A little unrelated. Any plans for Christmas? Well, I'm planning on making a video. Actually, you know, it just so happens, right as Christmas hits, I have to have a video upload scheduled. So I hopefully will be able to finish that video before Christmas. That would be nice. Do you like Milo from Mini Minutemen? I do, actually. I do like Milo a lot. I think he's a great scientist. MAKiT is already done. He just wants to give us mortals a chance. Exactly. I already figured out the theory of everything and all the other ones. I just, you know, I don't want to hold all the spotlight. I want to give physicists actual chance on figuring it out for themselves. Physics, something like ignore gravity, everything is okay, but probably incorrect. Yes, I mean, you can ignore gravity really often because gravity is so unbelievably weak. You can ignore gravity in most equations for the same reason that you can ignore the Lorentz factor in other equations. Or like light being quanta. It's because these are such extremes that wouldn't really matter equations. Thank you for being so incredibly humble. MAKiT, no worries, that's on the house. But MAKiT wasn't the time of it starts from the beginning every time he learns everything. Yeah. it's a Groundhog's Day taken to the extreme. We have to know more esoteric subject for people who wants to really make people educated like he wants to do. I do. The thing is, I have a specific genre of topics I pick. A lot of people really often suggest me different kinds of videos to make, but the thing is, I make general videos. I don't go with specific, like for example, I wouldn't make a video about supercomputers because that's not my thing. Instead, I could make a video about computing, maybe, but even that's not too general. So just organic chemistry, particle physics, mathematics, well, I guess particle physics technically. This is theoretical chemistry, mathematics, I don't even know. Physics, mathematics, physics, chemistry. Stuff like these. There's probably another universe where you're a successful Austrian political channel. What is that supposed to mean? How do you know this much about this many different fields? I just research for videos. I just like science. I just like knowing this sort of stuff. It makes me feel clever, you know. That's what I just have massive ego, you know. That's the thing. I have massive ego and I just can't let things go. So instead of readjusting my scientist mentality. Favorite soccer team? I don't think I have one. I don't know much about soccer or football. Woody. MAKiT, you should ask LibraText to sponsor every single stream. I do want to ask OpenStax because OpenStax, they are the ones that make textbooks. They're really often LibraText. Actually, speaking of, this one is made by OpenStax, and they just open source textbooks, and I feel like I would love to get sponsored by them. Do you use ChatGPT? Nope, I do not. I don't trust ChatGPT. Like, don't get me wrong, ChatGPT is clever, but really often has a tendency to just make stuff up. How active is OpenStax this day? I have no idea. They saved up for almost 3 billion for people. Incredible. We do. Is it like a recent update or something? Yeah. My goodness, I'm tired. Ugh. Tomorrow, when I wake up, I'm going to start a stream, and we're just gonna spend, well, hopefully, I'm gonna spend the whole day just working on the math video. Because math video is next, and I'm not prepared, not nearly prepared. I'm gonna have to do some pretty fun stuff, like, for example, Euler's formula, finally explaining the Euler's formula, except I have to understand it first myself perfectly, which will be quite annoying. Congrats, you have 31 people watching your content. We're at 31 people watching? 31? That's really high. I wasn't expecting it to be this high. Is John Atom going to be featured in your next video? Oh, John Atom, what a guy. I remember him, he was chip off the old block, you know? Do you have any online research recommendation for learning linear algebra? I have one that I always show for, and I'm proud of it. Where's mathematics? There it is. Linear algebra, you say? On it. Linear algebra. There we go! Pick your favorite! You got a couple of books to pick from. It's LibreText Bookshelves Linear Algebra. What should patrons request a Discord role? The bot, on the Discord server, there is a bot which should give it automatically. If you have a Patreon linked to the Discord account, then the bot will automatically give the role. Yeah, like 20 hours after waking up is a massive mood, honestly. I mean, I'm not really eating, I'm finishing it. I just started 20 hours ago, then I got hooked into finishing a video, then I had like another thing I had to finish, then just it happened, you know, just stuff. It's really cool for involved topics. Yeah, that's what they use. It is great. Okay, so we could probably do reactions. And then synthesis, where we would just cap off, since synthesis is like a nice summary, I would say. You sound ill. I'm tired. Propose cure, believe in the graviton. Remco, that will not help me. That will make it worse. That will make it worse. Oh my goodness. Not the graviton again. I did just mention the graviton. Actually, Remco, I'm curious. When it comes to combination of quantum mechanics with gravity, is there anything else in graviton? Did I get this right? Is relativity in quantum mechanics, that's quantum field theory, relativity and gravity, that's general relativity, and gravity and quantum mechanics, that's the graviton, right? Actually, Hamburglar, I can give you it manually if you want. I remember when I do have to say, your nickname is great. When I was adding, when I was finishing the video, it was really good enough. What do you mean good enough? If it's incorrect, then tell me. I need to know. Quantum theory of gravity has graviton. Gravitational theory per quantum does not have graviton. Per se. Oh, I see how it is. No, that's an imposter! Remco! Oh no, which one do I shoot? Who's the real Remco? Quick, tell me something only the real Remco would know. Have a good recognition deserve. I hope so too. I am struggling financially. Really, really badly. If an express says good enough, it's not good. Yeah, oh my goodness. Went through the same thing with Flame. Whenever Flame tells me good enough, I'm just shrinking on the inside. Because I know that means it's barely good enough. Graviton's real. Quick, kill him! I mean, he's the real Remco, but you know, just believe in the Graviton might as well. There's a lot of technical stuff usually, I see. I gotta say, the Fitzpatrick book on quantum mechanics is phenomenal though. I've been reading up on it again, because, you know, quantum mechanics video, right? And I've been reading up on it again, and I do have to say, it's really, really good. So bookshelves, quantum mechanics. Expect you to be regular. Alright, Infinitrix, thank you so much. I appreciate trying, you know. Might as well. Right here, third chapter, however, if I'm not mistaken. Third chapter. Oh no, wait, was it the second? I don't remember, honestly. Wave packets, right. I don't get this. To be fair, that was at the end of my day, but I don't get this. So like, you have waves which you just take, you combine them, and you get a Gaussian? I mean, even with the Fourier, I'll have to go through it slowly because kind of tough. Great. De Broglie. This is my favorite physicist. The force field is a convenient tool to solve the equations. Oh, no, that's really bad actually. I was hoping this would like have some hidden meaning I could exploit. Oh, shucks. You know what, everyone? I feel like I am going to cut this live stream short, mainly because I want to go to sleep. I'll be honest. I won't be lying to you. I'm tired. I'm sleepy, but daily means daily, and so by goodness, by gosh, by golly, we've done it. Let's took another time. How about tomorrow? Because tomorrow, I did already mention that. When I wake up, I'm just gonna do a stream walking on the math video. I've already got a fair bit of script finished, so we can get straight to animating. Now, I'm so sorry once again for a live stream this short, but I did finish a video today. It wasn't easy, on top of the other things. And for now, that'll be it. Thank you everyone so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye.